Technology is evolving at an unimaginable pace. Transformation is the key to progress. Milestones are on a vertical scale. On this timeline to the future, where does your business stand? Sailotech is dedicated to helping you transform forward faster. We give wings to enterprises by converging intelligent business and effective applications. Our solutions are tailor-made to suit your industry ecosystem. We constantly elevate our standard and quality as our exceptional values provide the thrust. Commitment is the cornerstone of our work culture, and we leave no stone unturned to deliver. We're a multidisciplinary team with expertise in diverse domains. Our leadership team comes with 500+ man-years of industry association. Collaborating with Sailotech means collaborating with seasoned, innovative minds that see beyond boundaries, a fact that reflects in our resourceful service model. Your business deserves to be at the pinnacle, and we have the strong vision to take it there. We ensure you don't just lead a path, but set new ones. Our foundation is a fusion of futuristic technology, efficient manpower, and domain expertise. Simply put, we're in the business of re-engineering your business so it can gain the desired edge. Because today, you're not just competing on price, you're competing on value. Our ERP experts ensure that every system you deploy responds accurately and achieves promised benefits. We excel in the art of thinking with advanced analytics and data science by providing actionable business insights. We help you extend scalability, reliability, and resilience across your business by paralleling your data with your organizational goals. It gives you the desired competitive advantage and helps you protect your investments. Our mission is to benefit enterprises by inventing technologies and management systems that help you execute your goals to perfection and reach higher benchmarks. Our niche is helping you carve an unshakable edge in this highly competitive environment. We believe in nurturing partnerships into long-term relationships that are built on trust and commitment. Let's join hands on transforming forward faster.